Hey tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the brain of your computer, the CPU or Central Processing Unit. This little chip is the heart and soul of your machine, determining its speed and efficiency. So, let's break down the magic inside your processor. First up, the Control Unit or CU. This is the traffic cop of your CPU, directing the flow of data and managing instruction execution. It sends signals to different components, making sure everything runs smoothly. Then, we've got the Arithmetic Logic Unit or ALU. This bad boy handles all the mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the logical operations like AND, OR, and NOT. Think of it as your computer's super nerd, crunching numbers at lightning speed. Next, we've got the registers. These are small, high-speed storage units inside the CPU. They store temporary data during operations, keeping things quick and efficient. Cache memory is another key player. This high-speed memory sits close to the processor, storing frequently used instructions to boost performance. It's like having a VIP lane for your most used data. And don't forget the clock. This controls the speed at which instructions are processed, measured in hertz, G, typically in gigahertz, GHz. The faster the clock, the quicker your CPU can think. Now let's talk types of processors. Based on architecture, we have CISC and RISC. CISC, or Complex Instruction Set Computing, has a large set of instructions and can execute complex tasks in fewer lines of code. Think Intel x86 processors. On the flip side, RISC, or Reduced Instruction Set Computing, has a smaller set of instructions but executes simple tasks super quickly. ARM processors like those in your smartphone are a prime example. Processors also vary by the number of cores. Single-core processors handle one task at a time. Think Intel Pentium 4. Dual-core processors like the Intel Core 2 Duo allow for multitasking. Quad-core processors like the Intel Core i5 offer even faster performance. And then we have hexa-core, octa-core, and beyond for heavy multitasking and gaming. Hello Intel Core i9 and AMD Ryzen 9. Important CPU features? Clock speed, measured in GHz, tells you how fast your CPU can process instructions. Threads or virtual cores improve multitasking. Cache memory comes in levels. L1 is the fastest and smallest. L2 and L3 are slower but larger. TDP, or thermal design power, indicates how much power your CPU consumes and how much heat it generates. And don't forget integrated graphics. Some CPUs come with built-in GPUs like Intel UHD and AMD Radeon Vega. Popular processor brands? We've got Intel with its Core i3, i5, i7, i9, and Xeon. AMD brings the heat with Ryzen 3, 5, 7, 9, and Threadripper. Apple has its M1, M2, M3 chips. Qualcomm dominates mobile with Snapdragon, and MediaTek offers Helio and Dimensity for budget smartphones. So, how do you choose a processor? For basic use like browsing or office work, go for Intel Core i3 or AMD Ryzen 3. For gaming and editing, you'll want an Intel Core i7 or i9, or an AMD Ryzen 7 or 9. For servers and workstations, look at Intel Xeon or AMD Threadripper. That's it for today, folks. Unleash the power of your CPU and watch your machine fly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech deep dives. Catch you in the next one.